Organic reagents, part 4 topic we'll discuss now. Invertase and zymase, these are the enzymes. Invertase enzyme is used particularly to convert sucrose into glucose and fructose. Sucrose is made up of glucose and fructose actually. So when it undergoes hydrolysis, it will give you glucose and fructose. Zymase is another enzyme. When you are using zymase enzyme, this will be giving you glucose or fructose into alcohol. Last step of preparation of alcohol, we use this one, zymase. Maltase is another enzyme. Maltase, it is not mentioned here. Okay, we'll discuss in another part, where maltase converts maltose into glucose. Maltose to glucose is done by maltase, and starch to maltose is done by diastase. Okay, now all these surface chemistry catalysis, there will be a box, you try to remember all these examples. Okay, now enzyme catalysis. Then HI when you are using on ethers, HI is actually a very good reducing agent, but when it is treated with ethers, two types of possibilities are here. I mentioned here only alcohol and alkyl halide, but there is a possibility of getting two alkyl halides also. It depends. So when you are using cold, it breaks like this: 1 plus H, 1 plus I, ROH, RI. It is for breaking. Otherwise, if you are using little concentrated, both R groups are converted to RI plus water. So ether into alcohol and alkyl halide when you are using dilute, ether into alkyl halide when you are using concentrated. Then coming to mild oxidation of alcohols into aldehydes. Remember, not only aldehydes, primary alcohol if you are taking, that will be converted to aldehydes. Secondary alcohol आप लेंगे तो आपको कीटोन बन जाएगा. Primary से aldehyde, secondary से ketone. And for this purpose, you can use PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate, or you can use PDC, pyridinium dichromate, or you can use Fenton's reagent, H2O2 by FeSO4, or you can use chlorine, bromine, iodine, copper 573, sorry, and silver 573. All these you can use. Primary to aldehyde, secondary alcohols to ketones. Tertiary alcohol, no reaction. Copper, silver can make them into alkenes. बाकी ये सब के रिएक्शन कुछ नहीं होता है. समझ में आ गया ना? सही है ना? आराम से. So palladium barium sulfate का लेंगे हम. Palladium is a good reducing agent, but when you are using palladium barium sulfate in the presence of quinoline, the quinoline or the coke powder, carbon powder, all these function like poison, and the reaction will be stopped in the middle. So this reaction is particularly called Rosenmund reduction, where acid chloride like acetyl chloride is converted to aldehyde. Acid chloride to aldehyde is done by palladium barium sulfate. This reaction is Rosenmund's reduction. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन है. और इसके साथ साथ में हम ये बात भी देखते, देख भाई यहाँ पर देखो, हमने दिया है आपको आल्काइंस टू आल्कीन्स. आल्काइंस को अगर आप आल्कीन्स में छोड़ना चाहेंगे तो भी आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो, पैलाडियम बेरियम सल्फेट को. एंड यहाँ पे इस रिएजेंट का नाम हम लेते हैं लिंडलार्स कैटलिस्ट. पैलाडियम बेरियम सल्फेट इन क्विनोलिन is known as LINDLAR, Lindlar's catalyst. Done. Then SnCl2, HCl, H3O plus cyanides are converted to aldehydes. This reaction is Stephen's reduction. Aluminium, hydrogen, IBU taken twice. This is nothing but dibol H. Dibol H means di, U2N, that is di. This is isobutyl, di-isobutyl aluminium hydride. Dibol H means two isobutyl groups will be there with one hydrogen on aluminium. Aluminium with one hydrogen, two isobutyl groups. This is for mild reduction, you can say. In mild reduction cases, cyanides can be converted to aldehydes and esters can be converted to aldehydes. So for this purpose, you can use both. These are same. Okay, now dibol H, di-isobutyl lithium, sorry, aluminium hydride. Lithium भी use कर सकते हो आप. Then एथार रिएक्शन is CrO to Cl2. बेंजीन के ऊपर जो मिथाइल ग्रुप रहता है, that will be converted to aldehyde part. So toluene to benzaldehyde you can make. Here chromium oxidation state is +6. This can be a good question. CrO to Cl2. Étard reaction. In Étard reaction, toluene is converted to aldehyde. Similarly, in place of CrO to Cl2, you can use CrO3 also. CrO3 also will be giving you same thing. Toluene to benzaldehyde. एंड क्लोरीन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट आप लेंगे तो Cl2 in presence of sunlight is a free radical substitution process. The chlorine in the presence of sunlight, the bonding will be broken like this. So 2Cl फ्री रेडिकल सेट फॉर्म। ये फ्री रेडिकल्स के साथ साथ में आपका फ्री रेडिकल सब्स्टिट्यूशन हो जाएगा ऑन साइड चेन ऑफ द बेंजीन। ओके ना, alkyl group means side chain of the benzene, or you can take any alkane. I have taken here one alkane, you can see, and I have taken here toluene. Toluene is converted to benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. Then coming to the point of COHCl, this is formylation. Formylation means you are going to keep one extra CHO group. COHCl is there na? Very simple. You can make this HCO. So benzene is converted to benzaldehyde. Simple sense you can say. डाई अल्काइल कैडमियम आप लेंगे तो acid chlorides can be converted to esters. Acid chlorides can be converted to esters, sorry, ketones, sorry. Acid chlorides can be converted to ketones by using CH3 to CD. Okay, this reaction balancing purpose I mentioned here with 2 RCOCl. Okay, ये मिथाइल ग्रुप जो भी है ये क्लोरीन के प्लेस में आ जाएगा RCOCH3, एंड ये क्लोरीन CD मिलके CdCl2 is out. Okay, that is ketone, not ester, sorry. RMGX H3O plus. RMGX is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, when reacts with the cyanides, they will be converted to ketones. I mentioned here one reaction, you can check. This is cyanide converted to ketone. Then hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide reacts with the carbonyl compounds like aldehydes and ketones and convert them into cyanohydrins. I have mentioned here one example, you can see this double bond O is converted to single bond OH and cyanide. So one hydrogen we are adding here, one cyanide you are adding here. Nucleophilic addition reaction, carbonyl compound is converted to cyanohydrin. दिस इज लास्ट मिनट प्रिपरेशन है। इन सब के बारे में एक एक के बारे में अपना पूरा वीडियो से आप देख सकते हो। फॉर एवरी कंपाउंड, फॉर एवरी प्रिपरेशन वी हैव वीडियोस। इफ यू हैव एनी पर्टिकुलर डाउट अबाउट एनीथिंग, जस्ट मैसेज मी हियर, आई विल बी गिविंग यू ऑल दोज वीडियोस। दिस इज आपके लास्ट मिनट प्रिपरेशन के लिए। NaHCO3, NaHCO3 is for addition of aldehydes and ketones, that will be giving you a product like this. Similarly, NH2OH is addition elimination reaction on carbonyl compounds, addition elimination to form oximes. You can see here from here 2 hydrogens, from here oxygen gone, and you are getting here oxide. Done. So आराम से पढ़ते जाओ, रिपीटेडली देखते जाओ, ओके ना, और प्रैक्टिस करना भूल न जाना, आराम से हो जाएगा। रिलैक्स, कॉन्सेंट्रेट, फोकस, यू विल बी गेटिंग। ओके, सो पार्ट 5 से मिलेंगे कुछ और रिएक्शंस के साथ में। गुड डे।